Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Maya. Yes, you're right, it's Maya, and I did one a couple of days ago. I'm going to do a few more in Maya, and I want to ask you to let me know in the comments if that is something you want me to do. If not, then let me know as well, right? Anyway, this is going to be a video, I would say for beginners, and it's about curves and how you can kind of restructure them, right? I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to go to create and we're going to go to CV curve tool. So curve tool, CV curve tool. Now I did tons of videos on all these different types and how to do a lot. Check out on my channel, but for now, CV curve tool, right? Now if I start to make a line or a curve and I'm doing the spacing like this, and then suddenly I have a huge gap, and then the spacing is like this again, big gap, and so forth, right? If I hit enter, you'll get something looking like this, which might not be ideal, but more importantly, when you want to control the curve, you right click, go to control vertex. Don't worry about the error message here, that's a scripting problem. And if I wanted to, let's say, make a curve in this section right here, I can't because there are no control points, right? So one of the things you can do besides adding control points is restructure the position, rebuilding it, right? So we're going to go to our outliner, we're going to click on our curve, we're going to go up to curves, and we're going to go down here to rebuild, click on the option box. Now, I want a uniform rebuild, so I want it uniformly spaced out, okay? I'm going to leave all of this alone. Parameter range is 0 to 1, it's fine. Number of spans, so basically how many do I want, right? Let's say 16, and we're going to click on rebuild. And this probably will change the shape a little bit. Let's have a look. And you can see that it kind of rounded this over a little bit more, and that as well. But more importantly, do we now have a different looking curve, right? So let's have a look. Right click, go to control vertex. And now you can see you have evenly spaced control points all over your curve. So now if I want to go in here and move this around, I can easily do so, right? Like I said, for beginners, but nevertheless, it's very important to understand. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.